Hi, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about this amazing coffee from Guy Fieri. Now, as you know, he is a chef, and so he knows what he's doing, and he put so much amazing flavor into this coffee. So this is the Banana Foster flavor. I saw this and I had to try it. I was a little skeptical, but man, am I in love with it now. I am now a 2 cup a day kind of girl, whereas before it was only 1, but I cannot help myself. I go back for a second because it is so yummy. So it comes in a 24 pack. It works in my Keurig. It is a light to medium roast. So very easy to drink, and I can't wait to try the other flavors because I'm sure they're amazing too. It's got that banana caramelly cinnamon flavor, exactly like a Banana Foster. I use my own creamer in here and it is like dessert for breakfast. I love it. So I highly recommend it. If you like flavored coffee and you're looking to mix it up a little, try something different, this is a really, really great option. You will love it, I'm sure. And that's my point of view.